absolutely despise every single person that I'm working with. Boom! And Bramblett, how many items do you have?
4.
Oh, okay. That's good.
One of them's a key, though.
That still counts. Keys are items too. Oh no! No, 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 no!
Oh, I'm not. I lived.
There's so many. There's so many. There's so many.
I was just about to say.
Run!
Wow, this is
Run! 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 Run!
Fuck no. I'm on the ship. I'm on the ship. It's just you.
Drop my item.
So honest work is invaluable.
We have 500. How much do we need?
600, I think it was.
You need 400 actually.
Cruiser. $400 for the cruiser. It is really cheap.
Nice.
Oh wait, actually no, we have the magnets, it's fine.
Is the drop ship gonna drop it off?
That's actually a good point. How do we get it?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's literally
Car! Car!
far from
Yes.
guard 47.
Yes.
Let's go, go, go,
Yes.
go, go,
How do
go,
you-
go, go.
Eject?
It's an eject button. Oh, we need that
Wait,
glassed out.
dude, get out.
First, dude,
Come
you have
take
to
this
manually
first.
change this. This is
Dude,
awesome.
dude, get out, get out.
This before you drive. We need to leave. Watching it.
You're gonna get us
That
killed.
would be a good idea. Don't anger the building, please.
I know it moves
Embryon.
good. Yeah, because
Embryon is really big and open.
actually
As
that
long as nobody takes out the battery.
What? Pull the key, pull the key.
I'm trying to get into the other seat. I can't get up. Oh, it's not on fire
Okay.
no more.
That's good. You got it? Yeah, just pull the key out. Push. Oh, that worked a bit too well. Why is it?
Dude, I think Leroy.
Have to get
I
to
think
the
Leroy
Jarvis.
has rabies.
Alrighty then. Oh, get back in, get back in.